Hi guys, this is Joyce, and I am working on my room, and I remembered that I had these birthday kits that I got at Tuesday morning. So today I am going to be putting these cards together because I am needing birthday cards, okay? Always need them, but these are two different types of kits. These are more fun that can be used for the babies, and these are more adult versions. So I am going to take today and I am going to put these kits together. So let me come back. I'm going to find my adhesives and different things that I am going to need. And I want to get some more of this one. I don't think I have any. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, this is Joyce. And I have these awesome birthday kits for making cards, and since I had so many cards that I need to get done, it comes with 4 envelopes. I'm going to put those out of the way. It comes with 4 card bases. Let's see, how do they go? And I love the foiling on them. And I am so sorry for the glare. But these are so cute. And so I'm going to talk while I do these. So this one goes on here. So they've got some little the sticky things there, but I'm going to get some more out because that's not going to be enough. And maybe I'll use foam tape instead. I've got all this foam tape that needs to be used. So instead of playing around with those little pop dots, I am going to use foam tape. How about it? So anyway, I don't know how long this video is going to take. They're simple cards, but if I'm talking and trying to do it too, so we're going to add some of this here. And can you see that? Okay, and then we're going to just add it because I want it to stay, even though these aren't made from scratch. I would like for them to be totally put together, okay? And I don't want them to fall apart. And I know most people they just get them, they hold them a few days and then they throw them away. But I was talking to my cousin. Let's take and put a couple of these on the bottom. And she was saying how all of my cards, she gets them, and when she leaves them on her fireplace mantle, you know, for a while, but mine gets to sit around much longer than most of the other ones, the store-bought ones and stuff. So I thought that was really cool. She always seems to enjoy them, and she's not a very sentimental, she is, but you know. So anyway, we want this to be popped up, so let's take off the paper. Okay. I think this this foam tape came from Expo, and a packet where you got 2 or 3 rolls and 2 or 3 packs for just a small amount of money. And I don't have any nails, and my hands are ashy, y'all. So don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I didn't realize I was getting ready to do my nails, and I got so much. It's been storming here. We were under a tornado watch. The sirens and stuff went off, so I kind of turned everything off and kind of sat in the dark with my okay, so these are really simple. I want you to see. And then we're going to kind of center that. And then I'm going to mat the inside and do a sentiment, but that's a very cute card. And I think that would be really cute for the kids, you know, for the kitties. So then this one we're going to put on here. This is just really the same thing. I'm going to pop it up. So I am going to put it closer to the edge. So anyway, we had lots of rain since early this morning. I was gonna go out. I had called my cousin and said, "Oh, I was gonna drive over, but we're supposed to have all this bad weather." She goes, "Oh, it's not. It's gonna be 70 degrees. It ain't gonna be doing nothing. It's gonna be sunshine." I'm like, "Okay." The rain ain't gonna. She tickled me. She said the rain's not coming until in the afternoon. It started raining here about 4 in the morning, because I've been up since 4 because I woke up and couldn't go back to sleep. And so it rained, and I really wanted to go out because I wanted to check out Hobby Lobby. I haven't been in there in a little while. And it has rained all morning. About 10 something the sirens went off. So I did a video. I'm gonna post that. I have to upload it. The sirens went off. The alerts from my phone went off. So I went out just so I could video, you know, on the breezeway. And the rain was just coming down. It has been coming down, like I said, all morning. It has stopped now, or at least it's not loud now. And there are no sirens going off. But we are now under a tornado watch until 5 o'clock this evening. Yeah. So it's been some interesting weather. Sorry, what that clock say? Yeah, I don't want this to get too long. So, but yeah, it's been some interesting weather, and I'm so glad that I didn't listen to my cousin and go and that's gonna be congratulations, and go get in my car talking about driving anywhere. But I'm really glad that I followed my own mind on that, because like I said, the rain never really stopped. It let up for a while, but it did not stop since I woke up this morning. And so, but yeah, I am trying to use up a lot of stuff. I've got a new series that's going to be coming up. And I think I haven't made up my mind about the name of the series yet, but honey, it's going to be creative, and it's going to be using, not buying anything, and just using stuff that I have in the house. Am I using too much of this tape? You know I am not. So these are going to be cards that I can give to the kids, to the little babies who don't care. So I gotta get some nails. My nails are not long at all. I cut them back off. They had growed out some. I've been using that gel polish for several years, and my nails were so damaged the last time I took it off that I just didn't go back to get them done anymore. Okay, so we are gonna just do that. Well, alright, so that's 3 of them. There are 4 to a kit, and the last one is this cake, and it just says birthday wishes. So yeah, anyway, I was saying I got this new series that I'm going to be starting. So I've done one video, and I just have to get it edit it or whatever, upload it. I don't think it needs much editing since it was kind of straight through. But yeah, I just want to do more creative stuff. I have a road trip coming up in my new car, and I'm looking for tickets. There is a railroad museum and a winery at several cities up. It's about an hour maybe from here, and it's something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. And they do lunches, they do the train ride, which is a tour of this area where it's located. And then they have a winery, and I do like a good glass of wine every now and then. So they have a winery, and they have they do wine tastings and the train ride, and they do box lunches. So it's an outing that I have been wanting to do. So I started looking, and I've looked online. So now it's just a matter of deciding when do I want to go. They have one going on the weekend of my birthday, which is in February. So there's one, like, my birthday is the 15th, and there is one on the 16th. So they are doing something almost every weekend. So it's just a matter of trying to decide what which one I want to do. We had been talking, my daughter and I, so I have to consider some other people, because I'm not sure if anybody has anything planned for my birthday, but we'll see. Okay guys, so very quickly, I have not done anything inside. I am going to pick a color from the front of this, and I'm going to mat the inside. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to find some paper, and I'm going to mat these on the inside and stamp them. I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back with the finished cards. While I was away, I decided to go ahead and put together the second kit, which is this one. So I put them together, and I'm going to show you the finished product. This is the one I worked on screen, and then I just matted the inside, so I will either stamp something or write a personal message. And then on the back it says DIY craft, but I'm going to stamp my name on it and put it on the back. So that one just says congratulations. This one also says congratulations. I matted them all because all of them had that blue in them, so I just picked up that blue. And then this one says happy birthday. Did the same thing. And so like I said, I like to stamp when when I know who I'm going to be giving it to. And so the birthday case, this one says birthday wishes. So that's the end of the first kit. And then, like I said, that's the card. So those are finished. And then we have this one, which says happy birthday. I ran out of this color paper. I mean, I had some thick paper, but I really didn't have anything that light. So I haven't matted that one as of yet. Happy birthday. And I only had one 12 by 12 sheet, and I got two 5 by 7 cuts off, 3 5 by 7 cuts with a lot of scraps. But so once again, this is for those random ladies at work that I have to do, that I would do cards for. So do that. And on your special day. So yeah, I like to have birthday cards, and these I can actually take to work and give them and have them already ready. So that is my project. I'm glad to have these done. That gives me 8 birthday cards for my stash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video didn't turn out too long. And the envelopes come and they have the gold inside. So I think they're all the same. No, this is what the other set looks like. So yeah, I am prepared for 8 birthdays. I shall be back because I have more projects up my sleeve. Bye guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Bye.